Morning, guys. So this morning I am making a French toast, but in a cupcake form. So what I've done so far, sorry if the camera's shaking, and also sorry for the noise in the background. The boys are waiting for their breakfast, and they're watching some Peppa Pig. So I've taken some bread and I have removed all the edges, so the crust from the slices of bread, and I have placed them in my cupcake tray. Okay, that's how I've done it. Now, when you do peel your bread, just make sure that you fold it in this way, and then roll it and stick it in your cupcake tray like this. So that way, you get a lot of crisp from the top portion of it. Okay, so this is how I've done it so far. Now the next step is I have my 4 eggs. It's for 4 people, so 2 cupcakes per person. I want to make sure that the kids get enough eggs when they bite into these French toast cupcakes in the morning, or French toast in a cupcake form. Okay, so what I've done is 4 eggs, and then I'm going to be adding nutmeg, cinnamon, and vanilla. Okay, and then I will also be adding some saffron. What I've done is I've left it there to soak in hot water. I've taken a heftier pinch than I usually do. Alright, and some honey. I'm going to grab some honey, but first I'm going to beat this, and then I will show you when I add my ingredients. I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I've beat the eggs into a nice liquid so that it pours nicely, I am adding a pinch of nutmeg, and then half a teaspoon of cinnamon. Then in we go with vanilla. I'm going to stick in a good, that's about half a teaspoon. And then I'm going to go in with all of my saffron. Whiz it all up. And then you can put honey to taste on however sweet you want it. We do like our French toast quite sweet, so I'm put in about 2 tablespoons right there. Okay, and now I'm going to mix it all up. I'm going to add some milk. That's my last step, to add the milk, just because I do like it milky, not too milky though, of course. Okay, so that's it there. I did want to add that I've used a silicone tray, so I haven't lined it with any butter, but depending on the tray you use, you might need to line it with butter, or you might need to grease it with butter. Okay, then in we go with milk. I'll be right back. Okay, and now I'm going to add my milk. Not yet, sweetheart. Almost.
Mama, can I have the bread?
Yes, you can have this bread if you'd like. There you go.
Oh yeah, I like it.
Okay. Kids are hungry. Okay. So I have popped in here 200 milliliters. 200 milliliters of milk. Okay, and now we're going to pour it on. Okay, so this is my cupcake tray. I haven't filled all of them up. There we are, and we're just going to fill each of them up very carefully. And then once you fill them all up, you just pop them in the oven. In your preheated oven, 170 degrees Celsius, for 10 to 15 minutes, okay? and that's it. So I'm gonna pop it in, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, one moment. Okay, so all the milk has soaked in, or the concoction that we made. Okay, so what I wanted to just add is that you need to give it a few minutes to soak so that you can add a bit more if needed, because you don't want the bread to be completely dry. Okay, so that's the final stage. I'm going to pop it in the oven now for 10 to 15 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like. Whilst I'm waiting for the French toast to cook in the oven, I thought I'd make myself a cup of coffee. Haven't had one this morning, and I think it's torture to have any coffee and do anything, or do anything in the kitchen without any coffee. I can't even finish my sentence.